All right, people, this is March 28th. Even though you see this March 27 chart, the reason why I'm putting this up is because I'm showing what I posted for March 27th. And I wanted to explain this because of, well, there's some good reasons just for people to understand, what I said in this chart. So as you can see, people, I make plans, and in the video we also took a look. We're going to take a look at what the options cost and what they are today. I also made some comments on Power Trick or Trade about using the May. I went into the May ones just to give it, just because, like I explained in this video, that it's one of those things. This stock has been choppy, but it could go. I said in the video that if we get confirmation, we could go, but we need to look for power, and the more power we get, that's the good sign. And Apple made it very clear around about 11, what's the time? 11:30. We'll go take a look at the charts here. But what I said here, and in the video, I want to explain what I said here. So basically, we didn't have the volume, and I made these comments on Power Trip, but the strength. What I did say, basing above and look for power towards 140. And you know what? By around, it was clear to me that it was a good go to go. But I had cautioned because there's no way to know. The odds favored higher, but that's why I decided to use the May call. So let's go look at Power Trick or Trade here for a second. So here, people, we are on Power Trick or Trade. You can see around 11:25 a.m. I posted Apple trade confirming, but the volume is low and price chopped up slowly. Options doing okay. Basically, they're doing good. They're doing good, but this is in a bullish chop zone. So basically, like I explained in the video, we need to be cautious. And in terms of it, 11:37 a.m., still there was time to get into Apple. Apple, one could go with the May 19, 140 or 145 calls. I went with these ones. I give people a choice. What I do and what you do is up to you, right? Nothing is wrong as long as, even if you took the April calls, we're going to take a look at those. So they were fine. I decided to use the May, give it more time, because I think Apple wants to chop its way nice and slowly. And today's move did exactly what I said in the video. In the video, people. All right, people. So this is the video here. See, March 27 at 9:33 p.m. You can find this on Power Trick or Trade. It says Power Trick or Trade explains the Apple update plan. Okay, this is the one you want to listen to. If you listen carefully to what I said, it was gonna confirm one or the other way, but I also reaffirmed the confirmation in the on Power Trick or Trade, like I showed you. Right now, let's go look. We're gonna go inside the video, people, to see. I'm gonna click in here. I'm gonna go to the where the options are to show you what they cost and what happened today, people. All right, people, if you go listen to that video, you're going to hear me talking about how Apple was stable and all these things, and that the options really never lost value much. They are actually up. They were up. They were actually down very little. But let's take a look at what the April, as a reference point, we're going to go take a look at what the April 140 calls. They must have did pretty well. I haven't took a look at them. Let's go take a look at them together. Again, this is posted in the video, all documented. This was based. These are the closing of the options on March 27. The fact of the matter is, people, why do I make these videos and show it to you this way? It's to show you that you can make money and that you need to look at yourself. Are you studying the plans, right? And the proof is in my plans. Better than any type of real-time calling anything or all this baloney that people talk about. Everybody has different size accounts, and you need to know how much risk you can tolerate, right? Some people are going to buy 10 options, some people are going to buy 2. What's it matter? You're going to make money, right, people? Anyways, let's go look at today's close for the app. Now, remember, we couldn't have gotten it at this price in, but let's see what the options did close at. So here's the March 27 close for Apple. They closed at 271, we'll say, okay, or 270, okay? All right, people, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance board. Apple closed at 143.80 today for March the 28th. Let's go take a look at those April 21, the 140 calls. And you can see that practically they gained about 77% today, right? So we know that they closed at 270. You would not have gotten. I'll tell you that your entry would have been about 340. On if you took the 140s, and so you made about 35-40% gains today on the options. And some people, that's a lot of money because, and we caught a directional move. At the same time, you have to be prepared for taking losses. Of course, this was not a loss. This was a solid gain. It's confirmed. When I said confirmed, I explained it that, you know what, we need to see the power. But you know what? It was very apparent today, people, that Apple showed the power, like I explained in the video. So there you have it. Nice gains in the Apple right there. Here's the proof, right? March 27th, right? That's the close. This is March 27 close. It shows 4 p.m., but this is March 27, Apple's close, 143.80, right? And here are the calls. If you go to my video, prior video, which was March 27, you'll see the options cost 270. Now, no way would you get that, but to show you that options you can make a lot of money when you have a solid plan and you know how to take directional moves, and you can do it with, look at, if you only bought 2 options, you made a couple of $100 with only $400. But if you wanted to try to own, if you wanted to buy 100 shares of Apple's, you need quite a bit of money. You multiply $180 times 100, and that gives you the idea what you need down just to hold 100 shares of Apple, right? With options, you could do it. You can control 1,000 shares for basically $3,000 there. 3,500, we'll say. We'll make out 3,400. You would have controlled. And I'm pretty sure you would have made a good $1,000 on just $3,400. That's a lot more gain than making it by buying 100 shares of Apple outright. You wouldn't have made as much money. Do you see the power and the leverage of options, people? All right, people. Let's also go to the charts here. And let's go to the 10-minute chart here. Okay. And see for yourself here. So, Apple, you can see it was quiet. And then the power came. And like I explained, And here we are, 11. Look at this. I made the comments, positive comments, way before here. Apple was only at 142.59. Those options were about 340. So anybody could have got into them, and the May options went up as well. Of course, even the farther out ones, the May 17 145 calls went up as well. And you can see the trend was good, right? So people, you know what I mean? It's common sense. Listen to the videos. All right, people. Here we're at Power Target Trades. If you like this video update and you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sandro Power Trigger Trade. See the Sandro Power Trigger Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and you'll automatically subscribe. Another point I want to make, people, is that listen to what I said in this video. This March 27 video. See, it's labeled March 27. It's all. Listen to me. Everything is documented. Okay. I say, study the videos, people. It's in my banner. Confirmation is key. This Apple trade, let me tell you, it was one of those things that it confirmed late. In other words, it happened later, and you need to make adjustments. I saw that Apple was confirming, and I posted. Okay, it wasn't exactly to what I said in the plan, but I did say that if we get above 142 with basing power, to look for power towards 142.5, that was a long signal. Again, you can go for yourself, listen to this in the video. Again, this is, and I'm also confirming it on Power Trigger Trade. Let's go take a look here again. So here it is, people. Apple trade confirming. Okay, what better real time is that? Isn't that? The people they're silly people out there. The stock bookie. He posts. You want to learn how you want to learn how to lose money? Go follow that guy. If you want solid, especially, you'll have no chance in hell of making money with that guy with options. Not like what I do. Study my videos, people. Here's the proof right here. Confirmation. I said it right over here. I then reaffirmed it here. One could go with the May. What do you think this means, people? Think about what I meant here. I decided to use myself these May calls instead. But it doesn't matter which one. Whether you use the April or the May, you made money today. That's the point, people. Making money doing the right thing. And unfortunately, the other guy shorted. Look. Do you see, people, you see this guy here, short Apple at 142.31? I'm talking about, is it a buy, right? Look here, left. He says he posted this as a short, right? I then just to the point. This is the same guy that went against me on Win. Listen, people, if a pro goes against my plans, they're going to lose. I said this many times. I proved this many times. It's as simple as that. They got the wrong picture, people. All right. See, there's the video update. Check this out. Anyways, people, I can go on and on here, but it's a great video update. Study. Subscribe to my YouTube channel here, people. Power Target Trades. You see the Sandro Power Target Trades going to appear in a circle format. Simply click on it and it'll give you an easy way to subscribe. Like I said, people, study the videos. I practice what I preach, right? This is me, Power Target Trader over here, and I tell you, most of these fucking traders out there are out of shape, sick and weak. Power Target Trades. You want to have a strong, healthy body and mind. Power Target Trade practices what he preaches, and my plans give you guys. Look at, listen, my site here. It's free information. There's no charging of anything. I make nothing. I'm trying to help my followers make money, and I have strict rules. I say if it confirms people. I mean, and I prove myself over and over and over again to those who want to see the light. So there you have it, people. A great update. Again, people, study the videos, listen to what I won the AMD board about, everything I do. I explain the facts, people. I'm the most honest person you can imagine when it comes to trading. When things don't work out, I post it. Trade failed, taking a loss. It's part of trading, people. It's what it is. There you have, people, a special, powerful update. I hope you get the message. I hope someone learned something from this, and they're gonna move forward and make the money. Gotta be prepared, people. When you're ready, take action. Especially when you see me say it's confirming. There you have, people, a great update. Thanks for listening. Like the video.